Hi guys, and welcome to the popular BA channel. We'll be providing support and training for aspiring business analysts around the world. So if you're fresh out of uni or just looking to make a career change, stick with us and we'll guide you through the process. Welcome to Lesson 1, Business Analysis 101. Who is a business analyst? That's a question you're going to get bugged with through your career as a business analyst. A business analyst is someone who works within a business organization to understand the people, processes, and rules in order to help the business achieve certain specified objectives. A business analyst usually works in a project environment and is there primarily to help a business identify and implement a solution that would help save costs and increase productivity. A business analyst is not a project manager and is not expected to manage resources towards effective implementation of a solution. A question that's always put to small businesses and big businesses is, why do you need a business analyst? What do they do? A business analyst, in my opinion, brings clarity to any project. A business analyst is usually responsible for the gap analysis, for requirement elicitation, and helping to ensure that all stakeholders are on the same page. So a business analyst is key to implementing any project because it ensures that all stakeholders and everyone who's going to work on a project or on a business initiative are all on the same page and they understand what needs to be done. The business analyst is very, very key to project success. How do you become a business analyst? That's another question that people ask. That's a question that you probably be wondering now. So to become a business analyst, my advice is you do a lot of research, get background information, develop your personal qualities, business knowledge and professional techniques, understand the different methodologies, traditional versus agile, get a certification, get certified, volunteer, do free work, update your LinkedIn profile, and keep applying. Just keep records of all your applications. What types of business analysts do we have? So we have the business systems or IT business analyst, functional business process analyst, or the hybrid or generalist business analyst. We'll go into a bit more detail further down the line. So there are different levels, I believe, of a business analyst. There's the entry-level BA, which I call the baby business analyst, 0 to 2 years of experience and needs a lot of hand-holding. There's a mid-level BA, the teenage analyst. You also need quite some hand-holding, 2 to 5 years of experience. And there's a senior or the super adult analyst. This analyst has about 5 years plus experience and manages other business analysts. In terms of certification, there are quite a few that are highly recognized across the world for business analysis or business analyst. So the BCS International Diploma in Business Analysis, usually recognized in the UK, the IIBA, CBAP, and CCBA certification are quite important tools or certifications you need as a business analyst. And I encourage everybody to actually try to get certified, even if it's the foundation level, so that you get some understanding to go along with your YouTube and your Google research. Another key question for me as well, while you're working to become a business analyst, is people always wonder, where can I work? What can I do? What organizations will take me? The public sector is always a good starting point for me to develop your skills. Private sector as well, IT startups, educational sector, marketing agencies, business analysts are very, very essential because all these agencies, all these companies run projects. How much can you earn as a business analyst? Anything from 23,000 to 100,000 pounds. 23,000 usually is for the baby analyst, and 40 to about 60 you could get as a mid-level analyst, and 60 to 100,000 pounds for a senior business analyst. Key thing I'd like to highlight is, as a business analyst, you're going to have to learn to interact, build relationships, and communicate with different levels of stakeholders. So for me, you can learn how to model diagrams, you can learn how to write use cases, you can learn how to develop user stories. But what's very important is you develop your personal qualities to ensure that you're able to interact with different levels of stakeholders, middle management, senior management, lower level management, and ensure that you interact with them and you get the requirements that are required for your project. Some of the topics that we're going to be covering going forward would be skills required to become a BA, talk about the different methodologies, the roles of a business analyst within the project environment, and just basically how you conduct effective requirements elicitation, amongst other topics. So please subscribe for more tips, because becoming a BA is definitely worth it. Thank you. See you later.